My name's Katherine Billue. I'm a reconstructive plastic surgeon. So I chose reconstructive plastic surgery because it's a creative specialty. There's no one answer. It's like solving a puzzle every time, and you really get to help people and help restore them to their original self. When you come to the wound center, we'll have a chance to sit down and chat. I'll assess the issue. We'll come up with a treatment plan, and I'll be with you every step of the way till we get to the finish line. I went to UAB Medical School. I then did 5 years of general surgery training at Akron General Medical Center in Akron, Ohio, and then did 3 years of plastic surgery training at UNMC in Omaha, Nebraska. When I'm not at the hospital, I enjoy spending as much family time as possible. I have a 3-year-old and a 2-year-old, and we really enjoy going on family hikes.